Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. This is my firework thrower. So I'm going to be showing you how it works. Oops. I'm going to show you like that. It's really easy to make, it's really simple to make, so let's do it. So you go like that and then you press this button and watch what happens. That happens. That is so awesome. So first you want to place a block like, I don't know, like any block you want, but no, not any block. So it will get destroyed or something. And then you want to make a 4x4 thing on that, let me just look. Oh, okay. This needs to be here. You need to make a 4x4 square like that and make it up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 5. Just 5. 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry that my camera's a little bit wobbly because I ain't got nowhere to put it. So I've got these little drawers. That's where my television is on. So yeah. I don't know why you guys are not watching my videos or anything, because I really want you guys to watch my videos. I'm trying my best about making videos. So yeah, like that, and then like that. Just pull it up like this, 4 at the bottom, and then go up 3 like that until it touches your head. Like that, should be like that, and then I want you to get your redstone repeaters out and place them in the middle of the blocks like that, just like that, and then you want to get your redstone and go like that everywhere, all around the redstone repeaters. After this video, I'm going to make like a video how to, yeah, so that's your TNT cannon, as you can see. Now let's try it out. So let's try it out then, shall we? Try it out then. Right, press this button. Alright, works perfectly. Let's see. Whoa! Yeah, and how can we fill it up? So that's a little bit simple as well. Let me just find my TNT. There, like that. Fill it up like that, and then you want to press the button so it can explode. Yeah, I really like this firework. I found it on my own. Built it on my own. Bam. Basically what it does, the TNT at the bottom, that one sets on fire, and then the TNT at the top, it throws that in the air, and then the TNT, what goes in the air, explodes, and that's how it works. So, yeah, this is me, Callum, out. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like this video, rate and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you